The 787 is a game-changing aircraft for Jetstar. It's going to be an extraordinary experience for our customers. The combination of bigger windows, better lighting, better comfort, the improved humidity and air pressure in the cabin will mean less jet lag. And I, for one, am delighted to experience the 787 with my young family and the benefits associated with everybody feeling better when they get off the aircraft.
Welcome here to the Boeing plant. We're very proud to take delivery of the new Jetstar 787 today.
It's a hugely historic moment and we're so proud to be able to introduce the aircraft to Australia.
This is very special for us. It's a very special moment for Australian aviation.
Congratulations to everyone involved, and let's give our new aircraft a big round of applause and let's bring her home.
All right.
Good morning, everyone. Just wanted to welcome you on board Jetstar's inaugural 787 flight.
This magnificent aircraft behind me is going to make a big difference to the group. And we look forward to everybody being able to experience this great aircraft. Thank you.